All right, hey Miranda, I'm going to show you how to set up an order once you've set up the party. You've already logged on to 31today.com with your consultant ID and your password. You'll go over here to your virtual office and you will have already set up a party. So I'm just going to open one of my existing parties so that you could see how to do it, since I already sent you the video on how to set up a party. So once you're in the party, you'll select the party, then you click on New Order, and then you put in the person's information for whom you are ordering. Mine will autofill simply because I'm in there already, but you're going to have to enter everybody's information individually. So save and continue, and then the easiest thing to do is to use a search product, the search tool. So say your consultant or your customer wants to order a large utility tote, click on large utility tote. She wants it in cozy plaid. You'll add that to your cart. And then I like to go to view cart because that's where it's the easiest for me in my mind to get the specials. So you'll click right here in this pink box that says view specials. And your customer is going to want the medium utility tote bundle. So you're going to click on that. She wants feathers, and I'm sorry, I can't remember the other one off the top of my head. So we'll just do, no, it's Holly Dot, I think. So you've selected feathers and you've selected Holly Dot, and you go and you add to cart. Okay, so everything is ready to go. It's there. You're going to go to begin checkout. And then all you're going to do is you're going to click on new payment, and then you're going to fill out her information with her credit card. So you need the name on the card number, the expiration, and then her billing zip code. Once you do that, you should be good. I will then have to show you how to submit it to be actually ordered, and we can talk about that later. So hopefully this helps. Let me know if it doesn't.